Hi everyone, welcome back our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your Gmail email address. Let's get started. The first step is to create a new Gmail account. Open your Gmail app or go to gmail.com and sign in if you haven't already. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Add another account. Here, you can either sign in to an existing account or create a new one. To create a new Gmail account, click on Create Account. Follow the steps to set up your new Gmail account. Enter your first name, last name, desired email address, and create a password. Then, click Next. Complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions, and soon you'll have your new Gmail account ready to use. Next, let's set up email forwarding so you don't miss any emails from your old account. In your old Gmail account, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Here, click on Add a forwarding address. Enter your new email address and click Next. A confirmation email will be sent to your new account. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now, all emails sent to your old Gmail address will be forwarded to your new account. Great! Now you have successfully set up a new Gmail account and forwarded all your emails from the old account. And that's how you change your Gmail email address. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials.